Good morning, students. In class 11, today this video will discuss about the chapter 2 in Geography 5. This chapter is very important. Why it is very important? Because in this chapter we will start basic concept of the universe and earth. The universe and earth. About knowledge we get from in geography which branch, that branch are known as a cosmology. So this universe, we talk about the universal geography, so this is a part of the cosmology. Universe, first we know about the universe. Our universe, we know we are part of the solar system. There is an eggplant, one star, and we are also part of our Milky Way. There is a lot of galaxies also. So how this universe actually formed? How it is formed? The different type of geographer, you can say philosopher, not only geographer, scientist, philosopher. They are giving the different type of theories, because we don't have the particular proof. We have only the theories. Basic of these theories, we know how our universe actually forms. In 11, we discuss some three very important and major theories. That is very easy. 2 or 3 number or 4 number question will be come from this question in your exam. The three theory is a very important. The first theory is a nebular hypothesis. This is the number 1 theory. Number 2, the second is binary theory. And third, very, very important and most popular theory, that is the Big Bang theory. So in this chapter we discuss about the 3 theories. First is the nebular theory, that is hypothesis also, binary hypothesis or theory, and third is the Big Bang theory. The nebular hypothesis, what is that? Nebular. What is the meaning of nebular? The nebular means the gases. If the gas, different type of gas, we talk about the different type of gas. If the gas condenses in a particular one atom, that is known as a nebula. Nebula is a gas, the contents of gas. Basic of these contents of gas are known as a nebula thesis. According to nebula thesis, according to the nebula we know that the gases. According to nebula thesis, first given, that is very important, in 1755, where before 300 years. That is one type of theory. In 1755, the first philosopher, you can say the name of the philosopher is Immanuel Kant. What is the name of the philosopher? The name of the philosopher is Immanuel Kant, who gives the first theory, the nebular hypothesis, in 1755. After 21 years, another philosopher, their name of the Laplace, they modify the nebular hypothesis or nebular theory. According to this theory, the universe, the planet that is made by the gases, condensed in a particular area and they are moved. Youthful sun, this is the sun, and gas are move around the sun, and day by day, year of year, they move and convert this gas, condense and create small planets. Our Earth also. That means our Earth, according to this theory, every planet that is made by the condense of gases, according to the nebula hypothesis. Then here will come another very important and interesting theory that is came in after 150 years, that is the 19th. That time the two philosophers, or you can say scientists also, Chamberlain and Moulton, they introduced one new theory that name is a binary theory. In this theory they say that the gases, it is look like a figure shape. The gases, it look like a figure space, and it is the gases which look like a figure shape. Here is the condensed, but in binary theory say that it is formed by the gases, but it look like a one figure shape, and which is moved slowly beside the sun, and day by day it is converted as a small planet also. This theory main vision is that our planet formed by the gases. The gases mean nitrogen gas. The nebula say that it is condensed, and the binary say that it is look like a figure shape. But after few years, after 50 or 60 years, the one new theory came. The new theory came. That name is a Big Bang theory. That is the popular theory. By this theory, we know how the universe actually formed. The name of the theory, that is the popular theory. But that is not a proof. All other theories, that is not a proof. But this theory is a popular type of theory. This theory says that when the universe formed, before that, we have only one atom. It looked like one teeny ball. When the universe formed, before that, we have only one atom, only one. The singular atoms. These atoms, density is an infinity density, that atoms. And the temperature also infinity. That means density is a high infinity, temperature also infinity. And after that, 13.7 billion years ago, from today, it has the biggest explosion in a universe, and first the universe formed. Where the 13.7 billion years ago, this atom which has the high density, infinity temperature, that has the one biggest explosion. And first the universe from the planet from the sun, different about galaxy also formed by this teeny ball, which have the high density, high temperature. Where from today, before 13.7 billion years ago, and when it explodes, it have the are getting cold. And before 3 lakh years, the universe getting lose their temperature and it came 4,500 Kelvin scale. Before 3 lakh years, first the universe getting normal. That time the temperature going to reduce because we know when it is explode, that time it has the infinity temperature. Day by day it is going to cold, and before 3 lakh years it getting the low temperature 4,500 Kelvin scale. Kelvin is the scale of temperature. And day by day the planet and the sun, they are introduced in universe. Universe also introduced. The galaxy also introduced. The Milky Way is also introduced. So these three theory, the three theory is very important. The three, first is the nebula, which is made by the gases. Second is the binary theory, which is made by the cigarette type of gases. And third is a very popular Big Bang theory. One teeny balls, or you can say singular atoms, which is explode. That is known as a Big Bang theory, and this theory is total too much popular. But all are theory, that is not a true. This theory is very important. After the Big Bang, the different about planet, star, galaxy, asteroid, everything was formed. In this question, the three questions will become on your exam. Only one question will become in class 11. But anyone, what is nebular hypothesis? What is the binary theory? What is the Big Bang theory? Next, another very important, the light year. What is light year? You know about that? I will tell you. I will explain. What is light year? Light year. What is light year? Light year is a distance. It is depend on per second. The light travels the area. If the light per second 3 lakh kilometers travel, so light year is a per second 3 lakh kilometers. In per year, the light travel in how many distance? Per second, if the light travel 3 lakh kilometers, so per year the light travel how many distance? This is known as a light year. When we talk about the universe, we always talk about the light year. We use the light year. Here we don't use the kilometer meter. Because we know universe is a infinity large. So when we measure the distance of universe, we use the light year. Per second, light, if the per second light travel 3 lakh kilometers, per year light travel how much? That is the light year. In universe, when we measure the distance, we use the light year. So this question also comes. What is light year? Light year, we know about the light year. The question will become the light year, you know about that. Now the second 1 or 2 number question will become, that is the, what is inner planet and what is outer planet? That is very easy, you know about that. In class 9, 10 we discuss about that. The what is inner planet? The 4 planet is a inner planet. The first is a Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. That is very important. The inner planet, which is the 4, Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. These 4 planets are known as the inner planet. If the question will become what is inner planet, we talk about only the 4. Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. And opposite of inner planet is a outer. Opposite of inner planet are known as the outer planet. Outer planet is a Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Also we can say Pluto. That is the outer planet. So inner planet is near from the earth, near from the sun. Any outer planet is a far away from the sun. So we have the inner planet only 4. The name of the inner planet is a Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. And outer planet you can say 5, Shambhu given the 4. Pluto also. If you see Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, some book have that 4 planets, and some book given that the Pluto is a part of the outer planet. So first in this chapter we talk about the very easy 3 or 4 questions will be come on your exam. The one is a what do you know about the nebular hypothesis theory? What do you know about the binary thesis, that is theory? Next question you will write, explain the most popular theory of formation of universe, that is Big Bang theory. And when the question will become, we will write the philosopher or geographer's name, also we will write the year also. Next the question will become, what do you know about the light year, or define the light year. Where we use the light year? We use the light year to measure the universal distance. Last question, what do you know about the inner and outer planet? The question will become, distinguish between inner planet and outer planet. So all are the same. So have you any question? Then you will ask me in a WhatsApp group. And these 4 questions you will, this chapter 4 or 5 questions you will write on your fresh copy. Next class we will discuss the next portion in this chapter. Okay, thank you.